Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry. I'm a field product expert for Broan NuTone, and today I'm going to go over the Broan AE110 SL. It's a humidity sensing fan light unit that we have, and I'm just going to go over 3 wiring options for this unit. Alright, here we have wiring option 1, and wiring option 1 basically shows a 2-function switch. So you have a switch on the top, switch on the bottom. They could be independent switches. The first switch is going to be operating the light. So whatever color, if this is pre-existing, whatever color you have coming off your top switch for the light, you would hook to the black up inside our unit. The second switch is the humidity control. Whatever color you have, we show black. Whatever color you have coming off your switches, if this is a pre-existing switch, you would hook that to the brown wire up inside our unit. What you would do then is you would cap the gray, your green is ground, and the whites go together. There's another way that you can wire this. It's an option. For this top switch, which is a light, you could actually have the light and the exhaust fan come on at the same time with that top switch. So you'd be hooking whatever color wire this is, you'd be hooking that to the black and gray. So when you flip this switch, fan and light would come on together. Some people like it that way. It's just an option that you can do. Option 2, what we have is a 3-function control. And this 3-function control basically would be your light on the first switch, fan off and on, the second switch, and this last switch, this third, would be a fan auto. So the first switch would be the light. You would hook that to the black to our unit. The second switch, whatever color is coming off, you would hook that to the gray in our unit. And the third switch is the fan auto off, and whatever color coming off of that switch, again we show black, you would hook that to brown. All the whites would go to white, and green is ground. If you have a pre-existing home and you purchase this fan, if you only have a single function switch, really the only way you're going to be able to wire this unit would be off of your switch. Whatever wire is coming off, you would hook that to the black in our unit and the gray in our unit. You'd hook it up to that switch, that whatever wire is coming off, you'd hook it to black and gray. The brown would get a wire nut on it. You wouldn't be using the humidity control. You'd lose that function. Sometimes customers buy the fan not realizing that they need a minimum of 2 switches and they only have 1 switch in the bathroom and they don't want to return it. You can do that. And again, for this one, whatever color is coming off of your switch, you're going to hook it to the black and the gray. The brown's going to get a wire nut on it, and the whites go to white, and green is ground. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please contact the Broan Technical Support. Thank you.